Alright, what up? My name is Lewis. I am a software engineer from Hawaii. Today I want to do a devlog on what I learned making Burger Builder. So, Burger Builder was a month-long game jam with what I did with the coworkers, and the theme was to just build an HTML5 canvas game without using images. And so I just want to focus on the motivating factors for this project and what I learned. And this video, I decided to make this video because I was inspired by a tweet that stated that more developers should not just build projects, but also share what they learned about it. So this is my video. The biggest takeaway from this project was how I got motivated to complete this project, especially because I'm a parent and I have small kids, and I usually spend my evenings with my kids, and then just relax to YouTube or Netflix, and then just kind of end my day. So the first motivating factor was having a deadline. So having this arbitrary deadline and have others kind of with me have the same deadline, complete this project, really pushed me to whip up the prototype and then eventually the full game. The initial deadline was 1 week, at which I completed the prototype and then worked on making it fun. So just created levels, some kind of star system. The second motivating factor was that I built this game so that my kids can enjoy it. So I just really liked the idea that I was going to create something that my kids would enjoy. And so I did a lot of that influenced how I designed the game. It had to be absolutely kid friendly and usable on a mobile device. It wasn't going to be like a PC game. We had to use a keyboard and mouse or something like that. They did enjoy it, and so they have, occasionally be like, "Hey, I want to play Burger Builder," and so that really makes me happy. That really makes me realize, understand that hey, they actually enjoyed it. And also, so when I did come up with the idea for the game, I thought about the games we played, and one of those games was Overcooked, and so I just started to think of like a kitchen theme where you make something, and so that's how I came up with Burger Builder. So what can I add to this project? So just so you know, like there's obviously like a million ideas I could implement, not just for this game, but for the multiple projects that I have going on right now. So one thing I was gonna build was to create a store because you do earn money. I was gonna build a store in there so you could buy things, but I didn't know what you're gonna buy. I just thought you just buy things that you could collect. I don't know if that would have been fun. And also adding more levels, but at the same time, I didn't know how to make the gameplay varied. Maybe add new ingredients for each kind of world you get into. So every 9 levels, you would transition into a new one with a new ingredient, and it would just replace one of the 4 that I already have, or I don't know. So there's just lots more that I could add it, but that's what I thought I could add on later on. So some of the lessons that I've learned. Well, first I should note that this is the second like complete game I've ever built. The first one was the number guessing game. I realized in making this game was while it's really fun to develop stuff in vanilla JavaScript, I felt that you could achieve better graphics and like a lot more effects using Unity or other game engines that would make just making things like nice like little explosions here and there and such. I think doing those types of things are a lot easier to accomplish, and I figured I should probably one focus on either making games for stuff like JS13K, the game jam, which just recently finished, or just learn Unity. So I'm not sure which one I want to go, but I really think I should just get into Unity just to at least see how it is. With this pandemic and working from home, this is kind of new for me to have extra time to create side projects, and now side projects are kind of becoming a part of my life, and I thought, yeah, this is what I want to continue doing while I still have time. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you if you've gotten this far, and I hope to see you in the next one.